Hello everyone. We will start the chapter 4 simple equation or linear equation. In previous class 6 we have already learned about the chapter algebra. In algebra we have learned the concept of constant, variables, factor, expression, etc. Do you remember? If not, so don't worry. First, I will explain the concept of algebra which we have learned in class 6. Then we will start the same chapter. So, let's start. Constant and variables. In algebra, we come across two types of quantities, constant and variables. Constant, a symbol having a fixed numerical value is called a constant. It means ऐसे सिंबल जिनकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू फिक्स्ड है, जो फिक्स्ड न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू हैं उन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं, कांस्टेंट. फॉर एग्जांपल 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 40 all the numbers are constant. Variable, a symbol which takes various numerical values is known as a variable. For example, suppose हम यदि एक ए वेरिएबल लेते हैं, कैपिटल ए या स्मॉल ए, तो इस स्मॉल ए में कोई बोलेगा 5 वैल्यू तो हम 5 भी रख देंगे ए की वैल्यू. किसी ने कहा 10 तो हमने 10 रख दिया. मतलब ए जो है वो स्मॉल ए आपका अल्फ़ाबेट का है, इसकी वैल्यू फिक्स नहीं है. हर बार अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन, अकॉर्डिंग टू पर्सन, हर बार उसकी वैल्यू क्या हो रही है, चेंज हो रही है, वेरी हो रही है. दैट मीन्स ये जो अल्फ़ाबेट ए है ये आपका क्या है, वेरिएबल है, क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू कंडीशन, अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, अकॉर्डिंग टू सिचुएशन एवरी टाइम हम उसकी वैल्यू क्या कर रहे हैं, चेंज कर रहे हैं. सो इट्स कॉल्ड अ वेरिएबल. तो सारे अल्फ़ाबेट आपके क्या हो जाते हैं, वेरिएबल्स हो जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल the perimeter P of a square of side S is given by the formula P equal to 4 multiply S. Here 4 is a constant while P and S are variables. Algebraic expression, a combination of constant and variables connected by the sign plus, minus, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. It means when we connect our variable and constant with the help of fundamental operations plus, minus, multiply and division. Suppose x is a variable, ये variable है, 5 is a constant. आपने x और 5 इन दोनों को प्लस साइन से कनेक्ट कर दिया तो हमारा बन जाएगा x plus 5. And x plus 5 is an algebraic expression. Same, we can take b. One is a variable b and we suppose we have one constant 4 और b और 4 को आपने माइनस से कनेक्ट कर दिया, b minus 4. So it is also algebraic expression. Okay. Now next, terms of an algebraic expression. The different parts of algebraic expression separated by the sign plus or minus are called the terms of the expression. For example, 5 minus 3x plus 4x square y is an algebraic expression consisting of three terms, 5 minus 3x and 4x square y. इट मीन्स आपका जो भी एक्सप्रेशन है आप उसमें से प्लस और माइनस साइन से उसको सेपरेट कर दें तो जो भी होगा वो टर्म्स होंगी. ये वाले एग्जांपल में आप देखेंगे फर्स्ट में तो यहाँ पे 3 टर्म्स हो रही है. ए पहली टर्म है 5, सेकेंड जो टर्म है विथ साइन हमें लेनी है -3x, थर्ड जो है 4x स्क्वायर वाई. वेरियस टाइप ऑफ algebraic expressions. First, monomials. An algebraic expressions which contain only one term is called monomial. For example, 5x, 2xy, -7, 3a square b. मतलब ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जो ओनली वन टर्म कंटेन करता है, इट्स मोनोमियल. बाइनोमियल, इट्स कंटेनिंग टू टर्म्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल x plus 5, 8 minus 3x, 2a plus 3b. Trinomial, an algebraic expression containing three terms is called a trinomial. Quadrinomial, an algebraic expression containing four terms, it's called a quadrinomial. Now next, polynomial, an expression containing two or more terms, it's called a polynomial. दो और दो से ज़्यादा टर्म जहाँ भी कंटेन होंगी वो सारी कैटेगरी हमारी हो जाती है पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ फैक्टर. Each term of an algebraic expression consists of a product of constants and variables. A constant factor is called a numerical factor, while a variable factor is known as a lateral factor. Coefficient. In a term of an algebraic expression, any of the factor which the sign of the terms is called a coefficient of the product of the other factor in that term. For example, in 5xy, the coefficient of x is 5y. The coefficient of y is 5x. It means जब भी आपसे पूछें coefficient of x तो आपको x को हटा के जो भी constant और variable है वो लेना है. In example 5xy में suppose the coefficient of x, तो x को हटाएं तो remaining term is 5 and y, so the coefficient of x is 5y and the coefficient of y is 5x. Now minus 6ab, the coefficient of a is minus 6b, which sign लेना है. The coefficient of b is minus 6a. Constant term. A term of the expression having no lateral factor is called a constant. ऐसी term जिसमें variable lateral नहीं होंगे, it's a constant term. Suppose for an example, x square plus 5x minus 3. x square here, x square जो है यहाँ पर इसकी पावर आप देख रहे हैं 2. It's a 2 factor. यहाँ पर जो इसका 2 है ये इसका यहाँ पे इसके 2 factor है x square plus 5x minus 3 and 3 is only remaining. It's without variable. 3 के साथ कोई variable use नहीं हुआ है तो it's a constant term. Like and unlike term. In a given algebraic expression, the terms having the same lateral factors are called like or similar terms. Otherwise, they are called unlike terms. Now, the next topic is linear equation. An equation is a statement of equality which contains one or more unknown quantities or variables. An equation involving only a linear polynomial is called a linear equation. For example, 7x plus 3 is equal to 5. In this equation, variable is there, constant is there, the variable x is there. Second, 3 by 2x plus 4 is equal to 1 by 3. It is also an equation. Now, the solution of a linear equation. The value of the variable which makes the equation a true statement is called the solution or root of the equation. To solve an equation is to find a value of the variable which satisfies the equation. Example. Now see, verify that x equal to 2 is a root of the equation. It means we have to put the value of x is 2. If it's satisfied, so it is the solution of the equation. Rules for solving an equation. The same quantity can be added to both sides of an equation without changing the equality. The same quantity can be subtracted from both the sides an equation without changing the equality. Both sides of equation may be multiplied by the same non-zero number without changing the equality. And both sides of equation may be divided by the same non-zero number without changing the quality. We have three methods for solving the linear equation. First is trial and error method. Second is variable separable. And third is transposition. Transposition. Any terms of an equation may be taken from one side to the other with a change of its sign. This does not affect the equality of the statement. This process is called transposition. आपने 6th क्लास में ट्रायल एंड एरर मेथड पढ़ी है. उसमें हमने क्या किया था, वैल्यू पुट कर करके देखा था कि किस वैल्यू से हमारी इक्वेशन सेटिस्फाइड हो रही है. Now in 7th class we will learn next two methods, variable separable and transposition. So now ready for the next video. In next video we will start the exercise. So all the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.